Knowing how to infuse vodka, or any spirit for that matter, is an absolute must when you're creating new and amazing cocktails to wow your guests. Now I'm going to show you a quick and easy hack to cut your infusion time down from hours to mere seconds. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'm going to show you how to infuse vodka or any other spirit or syrup for that matter with this game-changing hack. And by the end of the video I'm also going to give you a couple recipes for you to try out this new infusion on. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any amount of time, you know I'm a huge fan of doing things as quickly and as efficiently as possible while still trying to maintain the highest standard of quality in whatever it is you're doing, infusions being no exception. I've actually covered flavor infusions before in a separate video, this one right here. So do yourself a favor, after you finish watching this one, go ahead and watch that video so you can check out some more flavor infusion techniques. But in this video, I'm going to be using a tool that I've never demonstrated on this channel before, but most of us luckily already have, and it's an absolute game changer and time saver, and that's the microwave. Now this technique works great with sturdy flavoring agents like cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, allspice, things like that. But as always, I encourage you to play with it, test out different things and see what works best for you, and you know, you'll learn by doing. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to go ahead with a citrus zest and do a orange infused vodka. Now for this step, simply go ahead and grab your vodka, whichever vodka you want to use, and go ahead and measure it out. I'm going with about 200 milliliters for this particular demonstration. And once you've measured it out, go ahead and put that in a microwave safe container. Next up, you want to take your orange, and we're going to peel the entire orange. Make sure that you cut into it to get enough of the zest without too much of the pith, the white part at the bottom of the skin. That way your infusion isn't too bitter. Once you've peeled the entire orange, go ahead and place the peel inside of the container, and then obviously put the container inside the microwave. Now for this one, put your microwave on high, and we're going to microwave it from anywhere between 1 minute to 2 minutes. Go ahead and get that started, and then again, good rule of thumb, and this comes into play especially if you're trying to do a syrup infusion. If you see the mixture starting to bubble and boil over, it's time for you to take it out of the microwave and allow it to cool. Once that's done, go ahead and take it out and give it a taste. At this point, it should have a lot of the flavor from the orange zest or whatever flavor agent that you're choosing to use. Go ahead and taste it to make sure it's exactly the way you want it. At this point, you could do a couple of things. Now, if you had put it in for the 1 minute mark, you can put it in for 1 more minute, and then you know that 2 minutes is the right one for you. And I specify it that way because people's microwaves are different intensities. So it's really better for you to just try it out, test it, and see what works for you versus me telling you it will absolutely work one way the entire time. Now, if you take it out and you want it to have a little bit more intense flavor, while you're allowing your mixture to cool, just go ahead and leave that flavoring agent in the mixture and let the temperature come down with it in there. It'll take a little bit more time, and that heat will start to release more oils and more flavors, making the mixture a little bit more intense. If after you tasted it the first time it's ready to go, simply remove that stuff. Once that's done, go ahead and strain it into a container of your choice and put it to the side and store it until you're ready to use it. Now, just in case you haven't already seen it, I would recommend you checking out this video right here for all the must-haves that you should have in your home bar for whenever you're looking to experiment, do test infusions, or whatever kind of fun and crazy stuff that you might be able to come up with to wow and amaze your guests. And there you have it. That is our orange infused vodka. Now you can check out these recipes right here and use that vodka that you just made in these recipes. Try them out, see how you like them, see how your guests like them. And as always, go nuts. Feel free to play with the infusions, play with the different flavors, and test them out. See what happens, have some fun with it, and you might just surprise yourself. Now, if you're looking for the best bartender training to take your skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there, starting with our online course, Mixology Mastery. I've created a program with proven systems and frameworks, giving you the most comprehensive bartender training out there, everything from basic skills to advanced techniques to make sure that you are serving amazing cocktails for your guests every single time. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. For more great bartending videos and tips and tricks and advice, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.